Very pertinent points there being raised by Nido Tanya's mother. The question is the Delhi Police Commissioner listening? Is the Delhi government listening? And will we once ensure in this country that students from the Northeast, when they come to Delhi, they remain safe? Not just in Delhi, but across the country. Let's now shift focus to the other big story we're tracking here on Headlines today. And that is the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP parallel protests. Protests outside senior BJP leader Arun Jaitley's residence this morning by the Aam Aadmi Party. Leaders accusing Arun Jaitley and BJP's Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi of indulging in horse trading and offering to buy out its MLAs to bring down the Delhi government led by Arvind Kejriwal. Two groups of protesters battled outside Arun Jaitley's residence. BJP workers countered the Aam Aadmi protest. Let's listen in to what the protesters said. Let's also listen in to Leader of Opposition in the Rajya Sabha, Arun Jaitley.
The Aam Aadmi Party admittedly doesn't know how to govern. Statecraft, which is essential in governance, is literally foreign to them. And that is why after a very long time we have seen that a ruling party is organizing a demonstration against the opposition. Because they seem to be more comfortable in demonstrations and dharnas rather than in sachivalayas to govern the state. And the entire basis is a complete falsehood. It's a party of pathological liars. They first create a falsehood, then they convince themselves of its truth and then pursue it. Now look at the facts of this case. Neither Shri Narendra Modi nor I am aware of who this MLA, Mr. Madan Lal, is. He says he received a phone call from some unknown person. He doesn't remember the name. He doesn't remember the number from whom the phone call came. Who asked him that he would introduce him to me. When did the phone call come? 7th December, before the election results, when nobody in his wildest dreams could have imagined that he would become an MLA. You first create a palpable falsehood. Then some unknown gentleman whose name they don't know came 10 days ago. So in accordance with their government's policy, why did they not sting him and bug him? Their stated policy is that if somebody offers them money, they should take the money and sting that person. Why did he not do that? So just make an unsubstantiated allegation because you can't govern, you can't deliver, and then start holding protest demonstrations in order to add conviction to the falsehood which yourself have created.
The Aam Aadmi Party, of course, has offered no evidence in support of these allegations. Arun Jaitley has dismissed these charges as baseless. Yesterday, Aam Aadmi Party MLA Madan Lal alleged he was approached by a man who claimed to be close to Narendra Modi. Madan Lal claims that he was offered 20 crores in return for arranging a split in the Aam Aadmi Party.